Hello guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you create a Netflix account. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, this is my Netflix for my country, and this is what the front page looks like once you just go for netflix.com. And the first thing you see is the sign in screen, and then below here if you see there's this option that says new to Netflix, sign up now. So since we want to sign up, I'm gonna press on that. Next, it's gonna ask you to enter your email to create or restart your membership. So hopefully this email is not registered with any account. So yeah, it says Netflix is personalized for you. Create a password. Next, you can just create any password like please do not email me. Yeah. And next we will be asked to choose our plan. Now these are the plans, and these plans will be different for every country. For my country it's this one, so I can just choose any one I want. So basically here I can use phone, tablet, anything. So I'm just gonna hit next on the standard one, press next, and then they'll be asking you to choose your payment method, and you can go on there, and then you can just enter your card details, and then you can hit start membership. Now you should note that previously Netflix used to provide you with free trials, maybe 30 days, but recently Netflix has stopped that, and as soon as you start your membership you'll be asked to maybe change your phone number. So this is what you would see of the next screen. This is how the next screen will look like. I was just not gonna do the sign up because I don't want to use my card because it's already linked to another account. But this is what you see next, and you enter your phone number, and next you can select the devices that you will be watching it on. And once you've done that, you'll be asked to create any profile to start with, and you can create up to 5 profiles as we see here. And in this area, let's suppose if we have a second profile, you will get a tick box that says kids, and you can select that option, and that will give you some parental controls on that profile. Okay, once you're done that, Netflix will just ask you for a few recommendations of few shows. You'll be asked to select them on the screen, and then your Netflix membership will start, and you will be in the home screen of Netflix. So that is all to this. That is how Netflix sign up is done. So that's pretty much all from this video, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.